If you're the type of brand that after designing your emails, you export the emails in just one big massive block and import into Clivy or whatever ESP you use and blast it all out to your subscriber base, and yeah, expect that email to convert, well, you're going to run into a lot of issues. Number one, being deliverability issues. First of all, you're going to quickly start having problem with Gmail clipping your emails because it's just too massive, and in fact Gmail will start sending your emails to spam because it's just one big massive image block, which typically triggers spam filters. One other thing is you are going to lose a lot of your customer base that's supposed to like go through your emails because it's just one big massive block, and that will typically take time to load, right? Time that your customer base might not have to willingly give you, so you want to avoid that. The third problem you quickly run into is maybe would be the issue of clicking a particular part of the email, expecting to land on a particular landing page and then landing on just a generic landing page. That will quickly piss off your customers, and you probably start receiving a ton of emails. You probably already have receiving some highlighting the fact that, oh, after clicking a certain aspect of your email expecting to land on a certain product, they land on your generic landing page and are expected to find that product themselves. So that can be very annoying. So what can you do to that? If you're using Figma to design your emails, there's a sweet tool you can use. It's called the slice tool. Enter Figma slice tool, right? So you want to slice your emails into bite-sized blocks and sections that you can export individually, right? So this makes it quite easy for the emails to load fast, and it also makes it easy for you to put certain alt text and captions to your emails to make them quite accessible for the reader and accessible for the algorithm. Then the algorithm can actually read the emails, right? Instead of just one big massive image. One other thing is, yeah, for those of you that use Canva to design your emails, well, instead of creating one big page where you just sort of like download everything about your emails, you want to create your emails in blocks, right? Maybe 600 pixel high blocks, right? So create one part of the email, move it to the other, create another block, create the other part of the email. So you want to think in terms of blocks, right, rather than in terms of one big massive email that you just export up in. And then another tip you can use is maybe just export your email entirely as one block, and then when you enter your ESP you crop it out. But the problem you quickly run into with that is you start with each crop, you start to lose the resolution and pixels in your images. So yeah, so the best is to just use Figma to design your emails, and then use Figma slice tool to slice your emails. So yeah, I hope this helps.